Let's see how to connect the CMF Neckband to the MacBook Pro. Now click on the Apple icon. Then go to System Settings. Now go to Bluetooth. If the Bluetooth device doesn't appear on your MacBook, you need to reset the Bluetooth headphone device. Bluetooth then. This is the reset button. Now press the reset button and hold it for about 10 seconds, then the device will reset. Now the headphone Bluetooth device is showing up on your MacBook. Now connect your device and enjoy music. If you connect two headphone earplugs, it will automatically disconnect.